If you feel like you're in a dark, cold, bottomless pit the same way I feel right now, then this video might be for you. Just kidding. But if you are in a cold place in the world, like literally cold outside, cold place, then yeah, this video probably is for you. I'm gonna make a pineapple ginger cinnamon hot toddy variation, and it's pretty darn good if I may say so myself. So if that sounds good to you, let's go make it. Welcome to my channel, Whiskey Sugar Bitters. My name is Johan, hello, and today I'm gonna make you a hot toddy variation, or some people might even call it a hot rum punch. It doesn't really matter to me what we call it. What's important here is that this is a really tasty concoction. The most common hot toddy, at least in my experience, is whiskey of some sort, honey, lemon, and hot water. I'll be using a pineapple rum instead, a ginger syrup, a cinnamon syrup, some fresh lemon juice, and some hot water. The cinnamon syrup is very easy to make. I'll leave you a recipe in the description below, but for the ginger syrup, let me show you how I make that. I'm gonna start by taking our washed ginger and peel it. I like to use a spoon because you get into all the little crevices and it's just easier. And you don't have to be that thorough, just get the worst parts off of it. I'm just gonna take my ginger and chop it up into smaller pieces. Hopefully this is enough for 1 cup. That's what I'm shooting for, so. Pretty perfect. You can just pour this straight into a blender. I'm gonna boil some water, because we're gonna need a cup of water as well. We got our hot water, and now we're just gonna measure a cup of that. And pour it straight into the blender. And we're also going to add a cup of sugar. And then all we have to do is blend this. I grabbed a fine mesh strainer and I'm going to put some cheesecloth in there. If you don't have any cheesecloth, don't worry about it. You might just have to strain it a couple of times, but that's fine too. And there you have it, your ginger syrup. I also want to point out that I rarely use any spirits that have been infused with anything, except for this, the Plantation Pineapple Rum. And I'm not getting paid to say this, I wish I was, but this stuff is really, really good. I didn't really know how they made it, but it actually says right here on the bottle, so let me read it for you. We infused ripe Queen Victoria pineapples in rich, aged plantation original dark rum for 3 months. Meanwhile, we macerated, also in rum, the bare rind of the fruit where the pineapple's essential oil chiefly resides, and then distilled it, creating a bright pineapple essence to blend with the lushness of the infused plantation rum. Well, you did a great job. This stuff, guys, is really good. So to make this cocktail, we're gonna start by chilling our glassware. No, I'm just kidding. This is a hot toddy, so you want a hot glass. So what I did, I filled this up with hot water, and now the glass is hot, and I'm just gonna build the cocktail straight into the glass. This is super simple. We're gonna start with 1/2 ounce of your ginger syrup, 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 ounce of your pineapple rum, and then top it off with some hot water. Gonna garnish it with a cinnamon stick and a lemon twirl, because it's pretty. And there you have it, my pineapple hot toddy. Perfect for the cold weather, but at the same time, it gives you those tropical flavors that makes you feel like you're on a beach. Best of 2 worlds, right? Also, I want to mention that the ratios that I did for this recipe, you can switch that up to your liking. Not only to your liking, but also depending on how big your glass is, because I knew that the ratios that I did would fit perfectly with the amount of water that I could fit in there. But if you have a bigger glass or a smaller glass, just adjust it accordingly. Anyway, enough talking. Let me plop this baby in and have a sip. This is really good. Another thing you can do with this, if you don't want alcohol, switch out the pineapple rum for some pineapple juice and you have yourself a perfect hot mocktails. In case you didn't know, this Monday, January 11th, is Hot Toddy Day. Oh, I know, it's so crazy. What are the odds, right? So perfect opportunity for you to try this cocktail. But yeah, with that said, that's it for today. I'm gonna miss you. Something I was gonna say. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more. All right, I'll see you next time. Cheers. What's that? Is that booger? Welcome to my channel, Whiskey Sugar Bitters. I'm Johan, and today I'm gonna make you. Can you hear my stomach growl?